Now this is an interesting project for the digital curator. Heavy. An artwork from 1980. This one is owned by a patron who purchased it about 6 or 7 years ago. It's called The Screens of the Rolling Sorcerer. Kind of hard to show because it's made to be on a wall or as a folding screen. It's somewhat fragile, and there were only 6 of these made for a concert by the Northwest Chamber Orchestra at that time, and was assembled with a great deal of labor. And I made a video with William O. Smith, one of the Northwest local heroes, well known for his clarinet, once played with the Dave Brubeck Orchestra quartet. Anyway, I can't unfold it all the way, but I wanted to share this today. It's a special occasion. It turns out the other screen is coming up for auction. Thanks for watching.